Hey guys, welcome to this video. I know why you're here. You're looking for weight loss solutions. You're surfing the internet. You are asking questions. How can I lose weight? What must I do to fit back into my old jeans? How can I let go of the belly, the fat stores around my belly? You know, all these questions are commonly asked each and every day, but fear not, I am here and I bring solution. It's called Mitolyn. So Mitolyn is this interesting supplement that targets your mitochondria, which I know right now you are not understanding what your mitochondria levels are, but in just a few seconds, I'll explain it to you, okay? But it's here. It can help you lose lots and lots of weight, guys. So I will be leaving Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box just below this video because I know that Mitolyn is a supplement that is hard to find on the internet, especially today. I mean, the internet, it's this big thing where people take advantage of things and sometimes they sell other things using other things' name, you know, so you have to be careful. If you want to get the original Mitolyn, you need to purchase it only on their official webpage, which is this link right here below this video, guys. Now, what is Mitolyn? And in my opinion, guys, I think this is like the best supplement for weight loss because lots of people have tried it. Lots of people got results out of it. So if you're seeking fast weight loss, then of course Mitolyn is here to help you, you know? And the cool thing about it is that all its ingredients are natural. So you can expect maquiberry, rhodiola rosea, schisandra, amla, and all these ingredients help you to increase your mitochondria function, which is just this tiny enzyme in our cells that does this huge role of helping our bodies lose weight. So if your mitochondria levels are like way up here, your body understands that, okay, like I need to melt down these stored fats and I need to give this body energy. So poor mitochondria levels, low mitochondria levels mean storing up fats, not having energy. So you get the picture, right? And that's why Mitolyn is here. And all these ingredients in Mitolyn that are 100% natural, no GMOs, no stimulants, 100% safe, help you to increase your mitochondria function. So sometimes it's not your fault that you're not losing weight. It's just this enzyme in your cells that are not, you know, at the levels they should be. So the cool thing about Mitolyn is that it holds so many benefits because of these ingredients. Of course, weight loss is the main priority, but you also take care of your heart. You are also improving your blood pressure, your blood sugar. I mean, there's theobroma cacao in it, which is aphrodisiac. There is also schisandra. There's schisandra that helps you take care of your liver. And with that, you also have better hair and better skin. So there's just so many cool things that Mitolyn does to you, you know? And better yet, like guys, they give you a 90-day money-back guarantee, meaning that you do the treatment, right? You can choose to use it for 3 or 6 months. And then if you don't like it, you can simply go back to the official webpage and request a refund and get your money back. So make sure you give Mitolyn a shot if you want weight loss, okay? The link is right here waiting for you to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.